we have some examples here. The example says we have to evaluate the following, leaving your answers in what? In standard form. Now, whenever you say evaluate means you should either multiply, add, subtract, divide. That is what the word evaluate means, right? Yes. So we are going to start with the first problem. We have the first problem as we are having it as 2.51 times 10 power 6 close bracket times open bracket. We are having it as 7.63 times 10 then power 5. Okay, now whenever you have any problem given to you of this nature, for you to be able to multiply, the first thing you need to do is look at this problem. Is it expressed in standard form? This problem, 2.51 times 10 power 6, is it in standard form?
Yes.
This one is also in standard form, right?
Yes.
Now, whenever you are multiplying any number that is expressed in standard form, this is what you have to do. When you look at this, you tend to realize that this is the whole number part and this is the index part, isn't it?
Yes.
So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply this by what? This. Do you understand?
Yes.
So which means we are going to say 2.51 then times 7.63. Now this base and this base are the same. So according to the rule of indices, if the bases are the same, you always pick what? 1. So which means we say times. Then since this and this is the same, we are going to pick 1. Then the same thing according to the rule of indices. Since we are having multiplication in between, which means we are going to add the word powers. So which means this is going to be 6 plus what? 5. Am I communicating?
Yes.
Okay, now this is what we do. We multiply this. Remember, we are doing this without the aid of a calculator. So now how do we do this? We need to make sure we do our multiplication. Now we have it as 2.51 and here we are having it as 7.63. Now you perform your multiplication. Where are we starting with? From the right hand side, right?
Yes.
So 3 times 1 is going to give us what?
3.
We write down 3. 3 times 5 will give us what?
15.
We write 5 and carry 1. 3 times 2 will give us what?
6.
Plus 1.
7.
We write 7. You place 0 under this. Now we come to the next. 6 times this will give us what?
6.
We write it here. Now 6 times 5. 6 times 5 will give you 30. Right? So you write 0 and carry 3. Now 6 times 2 will give us what?
12.
Plus 3. 15. So we write on here. Now you place 2 zeros under this. We come down to the next number now. 7 times 1 will give us what?
7.
You place it under this. 7 times 5.
35.
35. We write 5 and carry what? 3. Right? And 7 times 2 will give us what? 14 plus 3. 17. So we write everything here. Now after you are done, you come and add everything together. Now we have this 3 plus 0, 0 will give us what?
3.
We write it down. Now 5 plus 6.
11.
Plus 0.
11.
We write 1 and carry 1. Now 7 plus 7.
14.
Plus 1.
15.
We write 5 and carry what? 1. Now this plus this.
10.
Plus 1.
11.
We write 1 and carry 1. Now 7 plus 1 plus 7.
8.
Plus 1.
9.
We write 9 and we bring down this. Now after you are done, we have a decimal point in this. So how do we place the decimal point? You count the numbers you have behind this decimal point. How many numbers do you have behind the decimal point in this? 1, 2. When you come to this other one, also 1, 2. So 2 plus 2 will give us what? 4. So which means you come back from the right hand side, you count 4 numbers before you place your decimal point. So we say 1, 2, 3, 4. So our decimal point is going to be here. So when we multiply this, we are going to be having 19.1513. Then we say times 10 power 6 plus 5 will give us what?
11.
We are going to get 11. Now the question is, are we going to stop here?
Yes. No. Yes.
Are we going to stop here?
Yes. No. Yes, no.
Remember, according to the rule of standard form, you must get only one number before a decimal point. So which means we have to what? Round. So which means you run from here to what? Here. So you move the decimal point from here to here. So we get 1.91513. Then we say times 10. Remember, when you run 1 times, which means the 10 raised to the power of what? 1. So we say times what? Then we have the last one here, which is times 10, also power what? 11. So we still remember the rule of indices. Since this and this is the same, what are we going to do? We pick 1. So which means we say 1.91513, then times.
Exponentially.
Now after we are done, then this will become 10 exponential what? 12. Right? So this becomes our final answer.